In this video, we'll show you how to reset Windows without your password. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you're stuck at the login screen and you don't know the password, and now you need to wipe everything for a fresh start, I'll show you how to do that. Alright, so first on the login screen, hover to the bottom right and click on the power icon. Now here you want to select restart while holding the shift key on your keyboard. So let's just do that. Hold the shift key and hit restart. That will bring you to Windows recovery menu. Here select troubleshoot and then select reset this PC. Here you can choose two options. Now because you don't have the password nor access to the Microsoft account, you'll need to select remove everything. And then you'll have options to choose how you want to reinstall. You can select cloud download if you have internet, but selecting local reinstall is just fine. Now here you can choose if you want to remove all files from all drive. I recommend you to select only the drive where Windows is installed, and then you're going to confirm all of your settings. If everything looks good, just hit reset and the process will start. It will take a moment and your computer may restart a few times. After that's done, you'll see a fresh setup. Select region, keyboard, create a login to your account, and set a new password if you want. Once you've done that, you have successfully resetted your PC and everything will back to default.